Hi guys, welcome to the next section that deals with predicting fire department calls with Spark ML. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading the San Francisco Fire Department calls dataset. Classification models are a popular way to predict a defined categorical outcome. We use outputs from classification models all the time. Anytime we go to see a movie in a theater, we are interested to see whether the film is considered good. One of the most popular classification models in data science community is a logistic regression. The logistic regression model produces a response that is activated by a sigmoid function. The sigmoid function uses the inputs from the model and produces an output that is between 0 and 1. That output is usually in the form of a probability score. Many deep learning models are also used for classification purposes. It is common to find logistic regression models performed in conjunction with deep learning models to help establish a baseline in which deep learning models are measured against. The sigmoid activation function is one of many activation functions that are also used in deep neural networks within deep learning to produce a probability output. We will utilize the built-in machine learning libraries within Spark to build a logistic regression model that will predict whether an incoming call to the San Francisco Fire Department is actually related to a fire rather than another incident. This is the official website containing San Francisco Fire Department's call data. Here is some general information regarding the dataset with regards to the number of columns and rows. This current dataset has roughly 4.77 million rows and 34 columns. The dataset is available in a .csv file and can be downloaded locally onto your machine, where it can then be imported into Spark. This video will walk through the steps to download and import the .csv file to our Jupyter notebook. Now we will download the dataset from the website by selecting Export and then CSV. We will save the dataset to any local directory. Usually it is saved to the same folder that has the Spark notebook used previously. If not already the case, we will name the downloaded dataset to fire_department_calls_for_service.csv. We will save the dataset. Let's open our Jupyter notebook. Here you can see that the data file is getting downloaded. Wait till it gets downloaded. Here you can see the dataset file and the notebook. Once the dataset has been saved to the same directory as the notebook, let's execute the PySpark script. First, we will import the dataset into Spark using this line of code. Then add these lines of code. After that, we will create a data frame called df using this code snippet. Here we will add options header equals to true and infer schema equals to true. Finally, it is always ideal to run a script to show the data that has been imported into Spark through the data frame to confirm that the data has made its way through. You can see the outcome of the script, showing the first 2 rows of the dataset from the San Francisco Fire Department calls. If San Francisco government website allows for online visualization of the data, which can be used to do some quick data profiling, the visualization data can be accessed on the website by selecting Visualize drop-down, as you can see on screen.